Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable Siri if your phone is locked. Friends, please write your comments after watching this video. Also, please put your likes and subscribe to the channel. And the problem that Siri can sometimes start working when even your phone is locked is not a common problem, but still it bothers some people's lives. And now I'm going to show you how you can easily disable it. So, first of all, go to your phone settings. Here, scroll your foot down until you find the Siri section. Go to that, pause, and next, you'll see an item like this, which means Siri works when the iPhone is turned off. And in order to stop it from working, you will just need to disable this item. And as you can see, I've now disabled this section. And now after that, Siri will not work if the phone is locked. This will help to secure your phone more and keep your privacy, and it won't automatically start working under some conditions when the phone is turned off. Friends, this is the simple way you can disable Siri if your phone is locked. I really hope this video was useful for you. Please write comments, put likes, and see you soon.